Well, Jacques, we're here today at the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary, so let's get busy and do a little exploring.
Oh, Charlie, look at that choo-choo train.
And we got a downtown view from over here where we're standing, and we're gonna follow the Bull River along here, around into the sanctuary area, and see what we can find here. You never know.
Watch out, Charlie, it's a big wood snake.
Looks like we got a couple of crows up in the tree here. Look, it's a cormorant. Whoa, Jacques, look at the big wood snake over there. And a wood owl. Yeah, we'll keep heading down the pathway, see what else we can find.
Oh, Charlie, another wood snake, a big one.
Look, Jacques, people holding out their hand. They're getting chickadees to land on there. Oh, I think that chickadee dropped a little something. Too cool. And we got some buds here on the tree. That one's got kind of a face over there.
Oh, Charlie, we got some deer.
Hey, Jacques, that deer is looking at you. I think she likes you.
I don't think so, Charlie.
There's a couple of deer here and more around. And it's one off in the distance flying down there. I guess we're going to cross that bridge when we come to it. Well, we sure got some nice reflections from the bridge here. Look at that. Water is nice and still.
Oh, Charlie, we're gonna cross that bridge when we come to it, too.
Oh, look, we got some geese on the little island there. And they're posing for us. How nice. Oh, there's a whole family here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 goslings. Now there's a historic house, although I don't know what the history is exactly. And there's the geese and their goslings. They're following us. I see downtown Calgary off in the distance. Are we gonna cross that bridge when we come to it? Oh, let's get out of here.